Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI TikTok videos. So if you want to grow your TikTok account and if you want to make money using AI videos, so this video for you. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can create this kind of amazing products video and you can make money Amazon affiliate marketing. So this is a sample account, guys, and they are creating amazing videos. Like here you can see best portable dishwasher on Amazon, okay, and then silicone body scrub brush and bad smell absorbing, okay. So just click on this. We will be trying to create this kind of videos, okay.
Tired of washing dishes by hand? Introducing the best portable dishwasher. Compact, efficient, and a game changer.
So they have just product reviews video, and here you can see the captions over there. And maybe you can create by yourself, just your mobile phone. And if you have this product, who hasn't this project? So what can I do for you? So that's why we're going to create this kind of product video, okay, especially for a different kind of Amazon or affiliate marketing, okay. So let's create it. So first of all, here you can see the best portable dishwasher on Amazon. So we're going to click this title, that's been the product about, and let's go to tools called AIinvideo.io. So I know if you are watching this video and maybe you know the invideo.ai. So if you don't know, just go to invideo.ai website and just create your account using your Gmail account, and you will see this kind of dashboard. And right now InVideo is the trending and best AI video generator right now, okay. So let's click on InVideo version 2, okay, and you can write over there. So I'm just paste it here, best portable dishwasher on Amazon. So I will add something here, create a video on best portable dishwasher on Amazon. So create a video on best portable dishwasher on Amazon with captions, and you will see workflows and plugins. So explore wall, and you will see TikTok video captions, okay. So let's click on generate video. So InVideo AI analyzed the content, that's mean best portable dishwasher on Amazon, and they will be adding some caption over there. So we are hoping so. So let's see how they create this video. And guys, if you like this video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Audience, homeowners, renters, and tech savvy, okay. So top portable dishwasher on Amazon, clean dishes anywhere. Homeowners is perfect, look and feel bright, okay, clean, inspirational, clean, okay. Platforms, YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. So let's create on YouTube shorts. If you click on YouTube, so maybe it will 16:9 ratio, that's mean YouTube long format video, but we are looking for TikTok videos. So shorts video is perfect, we can upload as a TikTok and reels video, so that's very great. So click on YouTube shorts and click on continue. Alright guys, so 13% of the video is ready. AI finding music and voiceovers, so it's really amazing. So this kind of tools can generate your text to a video, and it will add some music and voiceovers. Also we can edit over there. So I will show you later how you can edit this and how you can change the content over there. So alright guys, good news, our video is ready. So we can export it as a watermark, no problem at all. And video resolution is 480 pixel. So you have to pay some money, okay. So you have to upgrade your account. So let's check how they create this video, okay. So let's zoom out. Okay, why? So don't worry, just play this video.
Why are there not more people talking about portable dishwashers?
Just amazing.
Seriously, these little machines are about to change your kitchen game forever. Imagine a world where you can have a full-size dishwasher experience packed into
background,
a cute,
you will see
compact machine. Yes, that's right. We're talking about.
I'm just pause this. So here you can see they are just adding some videos background and just adding simple captions. Alright guys, so you can't imagine this. They are just explaining why you need a dishwasher and how they works, and it's really amazing. So let's play again.
Tired of dishpan hands? There's a portable dishwasher waiting to save the day. Don't just wash dishes, conquer them.
Okay guys, so this is how you can create. But one more thing, if you want to edit something here, so just click on edit there, and you will see and you will see the chapter 1, and here you can see the script over there. It's really amazing, AI generated. Okay, also you can edit script. Click on edit script and you will see each and every part. So if you want to remove something or add something, so you can just write it over there. Also you can edit music over there, and you will see the content for that. Okay, here you can see this is the third one and this is the fourth one. Okay, and if you want to change this, you can change. If you have any videos, so you can just upload over there. Okay, and it will be automatically updated from it. Okay, so how is this works? So like here you can see our fourth chapter. Okay, this is the fourth part, and I have already media over there. So if I want to add something here like this one, so click on replace and you will see it will automatically replace over there. So this is how you can replace. Okay, also if you don't want, just click on discard. Also you can comment there. So like you can delete second chapter or make this chapter half. Okay, all right. Also you can change the current stock footage, also the video footage, background video footage. And if you want to change the captions, so I'm going to write here, I'm just writing here add color captions. That's mean it's very simple, pretty much. Okay, so just click on generate, and I just want to show you that if it works. Like, okay, already they are adding something, a background. Like if you want to explore, just click on see. Here you can see.
Talking about
okay, so they are just adding some black text shadow about background also over there. Alright guys, I just wrote it here, add yellow color captions. It's automatically added color captions, yellow color captions. Okay,
yes, that's right. We're talking,
so it's not bad. Okay, so you can create also, and also you can study more. You can as much as you can learn. Okay, so in video. So I think this video gonna help you to create and your first video. So let's create your first video. So first video within best. So your first, second, third, fourth, almost 10-20 videos maybe gonna watch video, no problem. And day after tomorrow, hoping you will be creating amazing videos. Okay, all right. So if you want to export this video, how we can, just click on export button, and you will see that stock watermark if you want to use watermark. And if you want to know watermark, maybe you have to purchase your upgrade plan. It's pretty simple, and just click on continue. I've already uploaded many videos, that's why it's a free account. So almost limit reached. So what can I do for you? So I have a tricks for you. You can use another Gmail account and create another account. That's pretty simple. But if you really want to make money using this kind of tools, then you must have to purchase these tools. That's mean upgrade your tools, so that you can create and you can upload in your TikTok account and you can make money. So guys, so this is for today. So I will come back with another tutorials. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.